At first, I was thinking about not coming. I thought I had
You can't find us on the internet.
This is what you want to do. You want your experience pay that to look like gold, platinum, whatever it is, the big thing is these days. That's the one you really want to concentrate on.
Man, we got to learn about taxes. We got to learn about finances. We got to learn about business credit. And at this event, it intertwined all of those things, including personality. Hey, are you one of the tens of millions of Americans with credit issues? Credit issues such as late payments, charge-offs, or even just a low credit score that you would like to raise? Then this video is for you. Do you want to raise your score by 50, 100, or even 200 points with an effective and affordable credit program? Don't worry, we got you. Individuals with low credit scores get charged more interest. They get denied for housing, for cars, and for loans, both personal and business loans. People with bad credit, they cannot get the best travel cars like American Express. They cannot rent luxurious automobiles, right? Having bad credit can even cause mental and physical anxiety and ailments. Your anxiety is higher, which can cause heart attacks. Your living conditions are inadequate and most times can cause relationship stress from a lack of financial stability. You've heard the saying, there is no romance without finance, so having bad credit scores can definitely hurt you. But for as little as $49.95 a month, we got you. We can help you to remove information off of your credit profile, such as late payments, charge-offs, right? We can even help you to raise up your credit score so you can afford, so you can get those prestigious credit cards like American Express. You can get that home that you always wanted. You can get that automobile that you always wanted. My name is Herman Marinier III. I am an award-winning SBA coach, entrepreneur, and author. I've opened up a number of businesses because of personal credit. I've opened up several trucking schools. I've opened up several staffing companies. I've opened up several trucking companies, all because of personal credit and business credit. This program allows you to do the same thing by helping to optimize, helping to fix your poor credit so you too can get approved for loans. You too can open up businesses. You too can buy the home of your dreams. This program comes with the ability to help you to get information on what trade lines to add to strengthen your profile, what businesses to open up, right? How to structure those businesses, how to get $1 million worth of insurance on your credit profile for free, right? How to replace any type of identity loss, passports, driver's license, any type of identification being lost. This program replaces it for free. This program is the full Monty. It protects your personal credit, it builds up your personal credit, and it helps to take you to funding at the whole while giving you the information you need to be a better credit consumer. My name is Herman Marinier III. Press the link below and join the hundreds, if not thousands of individuals for $49.95 that help get their credit optimized. Better yet, you want to do it now, absolutely do it now before those prices go up. Our nearest competitor charges $139 a month for this very same program. And their program does not come with coaches. Their program does not offer the extra ebooks on personal and business credit. Their program does not offer $1 million in insurance. Our program is less the cost. It will not always be this cheap. You want to take advantage of it now. Be one of the first people to join at $49.95 a month and be locked in for life. You heard me, and this program comes with my personal guarantee that if your credit is not enhanced, if your credit is not improved, if we do not remove the items that we promised, we will not only give you your money back, we will give you double your money back. We will give you twice the money that you gave us for wasting your time. That's how confident I am that we have the #1 program out there, because if we don't deliver, we give you twice your money back in writing. A DocuSign will be sent to you, and you will sign, and I will sign, that if we do not remove the items, if your credit does not increase after getting into our program, we will give you double your money back. That is the guarantee from my company, Cred Assembly, and for me personally, that if we don't deliver, you get double your money back. So again, click the link below, listen to the hundreds of testimonies of people that we've helped improve their personal credit, help them to get loans for businesses, help them to find that dream house. Herman Marinier with Cred Assembly. Press the link Join our team. I'm looking forward to helping you to improve your credit scores.